Here we are going to discuss character of plants and animals, classification of plants and animals, plant products and animal products. Let's start with first question. First question is, which animal can create the loudest sound among living creatures? Among living creature, which animal can create loudest sound? Let's check with options. First one is a wild ass. This is the picture of wild ass. And wild ass is known as for its resilience in arid environment. Okay. But it is not create loudest sound. So this is not right answer. Second one is blue whale. Blue whale is the largest animal of the world. We know that. And it is also the loudest sound creator. Okay. Its sound is almost 180 decibels which it creates. Okay. So right answer here is blue whale. Third one is howler monkey. Howler monkey creates incredibly loud sound among the monkeys only. But it doesn't create loudest sound. Okay. This is howler monkey. Next is humpback whale. Humpback whale is the whale which has longest pectoral fin. Okay. In the world. It has longest pectoral fin. But it doesn't create loudest sound. So right answer is option B. Blue whale only. Next question is, marsupials are a special group of animals classified by keeping their babies inside the pouch attached to their body. Which among the following animal is called marsupials? Marsupials are the animals. Do you know who are the marsupials? Who give birth to undeveloped young ones which complete develop in the pouch. Okay. These are called marsupial like kangaroo. We all know that about kangaroo. Like kangaroo, there is one more animal here and the name is koala. You can see that. This is the picture of koala. And here its baby is in the pouch. Okay. So koala are the marsupials animals. But other are not. Antelope and koala baby is also known as joy. Do you know that? Its baby is known as joy. And antelope baby is calf. And camel baby is also known as calf. And you know that camel baby can walk within 1 hour. Within hour after birth. And fourth one is panda, and panda baby is known as cub, and their cub are hairless and totally blind when they born. Okay. But right answer for our question is koala. Option is right answer here. Next question is, this animal has a scaly body and a narrow snout. Its distribution is mostly in the Indian subcontinent. The adult male has a large bulb-like structure at the tip of its snout. What is this animal commonly known as? This animal is commonly known as option A, chameleon. Let me show you chameleon. This is, you can see that it doesn't have long snout. So this is not right answer. Crocodile. This is the picture of crocodile and you can see that it has long snout but not narrow. It is V-shaped snout. Okay. This is not narrow snout. So this is not right answer. Third one is ghadial. This is the picture of ghadial. You can see that and it has long narrow snout. Its snout is long and narrow and you can see that here is bulb-like structure. Can you see this? Yes, it means ghadial is right answer here. And you can see that alligator has U-shaped snout. This is not long but it is broad. Okay. So this is also not right answer here. Right answer is option C. Ghadial only. Next question is, mohair is the animal fiber used in sweater, making hats and other fluffy accessories. It is obtained from option A, pashmina goat. No, from pashmina goat we only can get pashmina wool. Okay, pashmina wool, or you can say that it's Kashmiri wool. Llama goat, from llama goat, fleece of llama goat are used as llama wool. Okay. It is also known as llama wool. And Angora goat, yes, its fleece or its wool is known as mohair. Option C is right answer here. And fourth one is alpaca, and alpaca goat produce alpaca wool. Okay, so right answer here is option C only. Next is, this festival in Kashmir is organized annually in Srinagar. It showcases a large variety of flower. Which flower is this? This flower is tulip. Okay, tulip flower festival organized in Srinagar, Kashmir. Option is right answer here. Question 6. Which of the innermost part of a flower? Let me show you the picture of flower. This is the picture of flower, and you can see there are different parts. First one is stamen. Do you know what is stamen? Anther and filament combined known as stamen, and this is outer part. You can see that they are outside. Inner part is this part. Okay, this part is the inner part. You can see this. So this is style, stigma and ovary. This is style, stigma and ovary, and all these three together known as pistil. Okay, and pistil is the, you can see that it is innermost part of this flower. Okay, so this is innermost part. Calyx, this is calyx, this green leafy part which covers the bud of the flower. Okay, this is known as calyx. This is outermost part. Next is corolla. Corolla is the colorful petals of the flower. They are also outer part of the flower. So innermost part is pistil. Pistil is containing style, stigma and ovary. Option B is right answer here. Next is, look at the given list in which order to the following happen in the life cycle of flowering plant. And here the points are fruit, seed, flower and pollination. Let me show you the life cycle of flower. This is the life cycle of flower. You can see that first one here, it starts from seed. After seed it's germination, then seedling, then adult plant. Then adult plant grow flower, then they do pollination, and after pollination fruit germination happen, and after that seed dispersal again happen and seed again grow in the soil. So this is the life cycle of flower. Okay, so let's check the steps which are accurate. Option A, pollination. This is pollination. You can see that after pollination they are saying flowering. After pollination there is fruit germination happen, not flowering. Flowering is the previous step. It means this is wrong. Okay, so next is fruit and seeds. This is fruit and seeds. You can see that. And after that flowering, no, flowering is the previous step, not after that. After the seed dispersal there is seed germination start. Okay, so this is also wrong. Third one is flowering. This is flowering. You can see that. After flowering, pollination. Yes, this is pollination, right? And after pollination, there is fruit and seeds. There is fruit and seeds. This is right step. So option C is right answer here. In option D, we can check that pollination. After pollination, they are saying fruit and seed. This is also right, fruit and seed. And after fruit and seed, there is flowering. No, after fruit and seed, there is the seedling, not flowering. So it means this is wrong. This is also wrong. So right answer is option C only. Next is, which state in India is recognized as the natural habitat of the Asiatic lion? Natural habitat of Asiatic lion is Gujarat. Option D is right answer here. Next is, dash cranes are the smallest species of cranes. They undertake one of the toughest migration in the world and fly in the flocks all the way from China and Mongolia to Indian subcontinent. Let's check with our options. Option A is Demoisely, and Demoisely crane is the smallest species of crane. This is right answer here. Option B, Siberian. Siberian cranes are the crane which came from Siberia to India in winters. Okay. C is Saras, and Saras is the longest crane in the world. Okay. Or do you know why its name is Saras? Because Saras meaning is in the lake. They found in the lake mostly. Okay. Fourth one is blue, and blue crane is the national animal, or you can say national bird of South Africa. Okay. So and blue crane also has another name, that is paradise crane. Okay, but right answer here for smallest species is demoisely. Option is right answer here. Next is, this creature has human-like eyes. When in danger, it squirts cloud of black ink, which help it to hide the escape from its enemies. It can also change its pattern and texture according to its surrounding. Which is this creature? Option A, leaf litter toad. Leaf litter toad use camouflage. Okay, they use camouflage for hiding from their enemies. Okay, they on the leaf litter you can see these type of toads, and they adopt the color of litter leaves. Okay, so they are not, this is not right answer. Option B, octopus, and octopus is right answer here because they are the animal which can change their pattern and texture according to surrounding, and yes, they have human like eyes, and when they are in danger they squirt cloud of black ink. So right answer here is octopus. Option C, seahorse. Seahorse is the horse like creature of water creature, and they are found in the sea. Option D, hermit crab. Hermit crab is a very soft body crab. They borrow the shell of the mollusk. Do you know what are mollusks? Mollusks are the animals which have soft body but hard shell over their body like snail. So hermit crab borrow the shell of the mollusk. Okay. So right answer here is octopus, option B only. Next answer question is, Spirophytes are organisms that feed on dead or decaying matter. They cannot manufacture their own food. Which of the following organism is a spirophyte? Option A, money plant. No, this is not spirophyte because they produce their own food. Grass is also not spirophyte. They are also green and they produce their own food. Algae also produce their own food. They are not spirophyte. Spirophyte, the animal which do not produce their own food. They are dead. They get their food from dead or decaying matter. Like mushroom. Mushroom produce on the place where the dead or decaying matter is present. Okay. So option D, mushroom, right answer here. Next, these are external respiratory openings present in the form of pores. You can see that these are the pores which are present on the body of the insect. What are they called? They are called spiracles. Option C is right answer here. Okay. And gills is the also respiratory organ, and the fishes or water animal. Water animal basically breathe through gills. Okay. And lungs, land animals breathe through lungs. Spiracles for insect, and stomata is for plants. Okay, plants stomata is a pores on below the leaf, and their opening and they open for exchange of gases. Okay, so through stomata plants respirate. So right answer here for insect is spiracles. Option C is right answer here. Next is, cotton is a type of plant fiber that is widely used in the world and considered as the king of fiber. Kasturi cotton is the India's premium cotton in the world that is maximum grown in. Gujarat. Option C is right answer here. Next is, rearing of which insect is called apiculture? Rearing of animals. Okay. Silkworm, rearing of silkworm is known as sericulture. Okay, SIRI. Ladybird beetle rearing is known as artificial dyed culture. Okay. Honeybee, rearing of honeybee is known as apiculture. Option C is right answer here. And spider, and rearing of spider is known as, which animal breathe through gills when it is young but breathe through lungs as an adult? This animal is frog, which lay egg in the water in the jelly form. Okay, they are jelly covered egg. From egg, larva hatch, and larva change into tadpole stage, and till tadpole stage, they breathe through gills because they live in water. But after tadpole, when the adult one is produced, then they come to the earth and their lungs are also developed, and most of the part of the life they live on the land in the young age, in the adult age. So they breathe through lungs in that stage. So frogs are the animal which breathe through gills and lungs both. Prawn breathe through gills only. Viper is a snake and it breathe through lungs. They have special feature of respiration. For respiration, that is known as glottis. Lizard also breathe through lungs. Okay, so right answer here is option B only. Next question is, the seed ahead of the given plant is light and spongy. Which of the following help in the dispersal of seeds of the given plant? This is the picture of lotus plant. Okay, and lotus plant live in water. Okay, so how seed dispersal will happen in the water? Through water current only. Okay, so option D is right answer here. Next is, which of the following is an omnivorous? Do you know that what are omnivore? Omnivore are the animal. Yes, they eat both plant and animals. Okay, and there is one other species is herbivorous. Herbivores are the animal which only eat plants, and carnivorous, they only eat animals. Okay, and omnivores eat both. Okay, so a horse is a herbivores. Fruit bat is also herbivorous because it eat only fruits. C, human are omnivores because they eat plant and animal both. And D, leopard is a carnivorous animal because it eat only meat. So right answer here for omnivorous is human. Next question is, which among the following shows the correct match regarding scientists and their research? Let's check. Option A is malacologist. Malacologist, study of mammals. This is wrong. Study of mammal is known as mammalogy. Okay, and malacologist study for mollusk. I told you who are mollusk. Mollusks are the animals which have soft body but hard covering shell like snail. They are known as mollusk. B is ornithologist and they study for reptiles. This is also wrong. Ornithologist study for birds, not reptiles. Okay, and study for reptile is known as herpetology. Herpeto, herpetology. Third one is entomologist and they study for insect. This is absolutely right. Entomologist is known as study for insect. They do study for insect. So option C is right answer here. Next is, in which of the following form is glucose stored in green plants? Glucose stored in green plants in the form of starch. Okay. Option B, suberin. Suberin is the present in the cell wall and they prevent water loss. Okay. Mainly that is present in the bark of the tree. Cutin is a waxing outer surface layer. Okay. That is also prevent water loss. Next is lactose. Lactose is a milk sugar. Okay, and it is present in mainly dairy products. So right answer here is option A only. Next question is, which of the following animal is considered as the state animal of Tamil Nadu? A, nilgai. No, nilgai is the largest antelope in Asia, but it is not the state animal of any state. Option B, black buck. Black buck is the state animal of Punjab, Haryana and Andhra Pradesh. Okay. Next is goat. Goat is also known as Indian bison and this is the state animal of Goa and Bihar. Next is Nilgiri Thar and yes, it is the state animal of Tamil Nadu. Option D is right answer here. Next question is, some animals are hunted illegally for their body parts. Which of the following statement is incorrect regarding animals and the reason they are being hunted for? Option A, musk deer are hunted for a pair of scent glands present under the belly of the males, which is used to make perfume. Yes, this is correct statement. Okay, they are also known as musk pods. Option B, rhinoceros is hunted for its horn, which are used to make ornamental thing and quack medicines. This is absolutely right. Option C, Chiro is hunted for fine wool under the fleece called shahatush, used for making shows. Absolutely right statement. So none of these is incorrect. Option D is right answer here. Next is, look at the given picture showing plant part labeled as PQRS. Which of the following option incorrectly listed the plant in which labeled part is edible? Let's check. S is stem. S is not stem. S is root. P is stem. Q is leaf, and R is fruit. Okay, so let's check which part we have. Option A, sugarcane. Sugarcane is a stem. This is right. We have stem in the picture. Potato is root. This is also right because we have root here. So it means these are the correctly listed. B, lettuce and cabbage, they both are the leaf. Leaf is listed here, so these are also correct listed. Option C, brinjal, pumpkin and zucchini, and these three are fruits of the plant and fruit is mentioned here. It means they are correctly listed. Next is ginger. Ginger is this is underground root. Okay, underground modified stem, basically modified stem. So that is not mentioned here. So this is not correctly mentioned. Carrot is root. This is correctly mentioned. And onion is also underground stem, modified stem. So this is also not mentioned here. It means D option is not correctly mentioned here. It means D is right answer. Next is, identify X, Y, Z from the given information. X is a spice obtained from dried fruit. Y is the spice obtained from the bark of the tree, and Z is the spice obtained from the bud of plant. Let's check. Coriander. Coriander is the dried food. This is right. And Y, fennel. Fennel is found from bark of the tree. This is wrong. This is found from the, yes, this is the dried food actually. So this is wrong. Cumin. Cumin is also found from the fruit, so this is also wrong. This is wrong answer here. B, cumin is dried fruit. This is right. Cardamom. Cardamom is the seed which is found from the bark of the tree. This is also right. Fennel. Fennel is obtained from the bud. This is wrong. This is dried fruit. So next is, ये भी wrong हो गया. Next is cardamom. Cardamom is the dried fruit form of a plant. This is right. Here cardamom was wrong. And cinnamon. Cinnamon is found from the bark of the tree. This is also right. And clove. Clove is the bud of plant. Dried bud of the plant. This is also right. So option C is right answer here. Next is clove. Clove is dried fruit, not dried bud of plant. This is wrong. So it means this option is also wrong. So option C is right answer here only. Next question is, which of the following statement are incorrect? The blood of insect does not contain hemoglobin, the oxygen carrier. This is right. Insect does not have blood or hemoglobin. Okay, and hemoglobin carry oxygen. Second is, a seed kept in the airtight container does not germinate. This is absolutely right. For germination, they need oxygen. And third one is, begonia reproduce through roots. This is absolutely wrong because they reproduce through all parts of the body, whether it is leaf, stem, flower, leaf, anything. Mainly they reproduce from the Yes, they reproduce from the leaf or birds. Okay, so this is wrong. It means option 3 only wrong. Option C is right answer here. Next is unscramble the given letter to find the name of group of plant which have seeds but no flowers and fruits. Let's check. First one is fern, F-E-R-N-S, ferns. Second one is bryophytes, B-R-O-Y-P-H-Y, phytes, T-E-S, okay. Third one is gymnosperm, Next is moss, okay. So, fern, they are reproduced from the spores, they don't have seeds. But in our question, the plant have seeds, so this is wrong. Bryophytes also reproduce from the spores, they do not have seed, no flower, no fruit, no leaf, no stem, nothing. Okay, so this is also wrong answer, because in question plant have seeds but bryophyte does not have seeds. Gymnosperm have seeds but no flower and fruit. This is correct answer. Option C is right answer here. Moss is also a category of bryophytes. They also reproduce from the spores but don't have flowers and fruits. So right answer here is gymnosperm only. Okay. So kids, here we learn about the chapter plants and animals. Repeat this video, learn all the questions and their options also. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel KVS Coach, and don't forget to press bell icon to get notification for each new video. Thank you. Bye bye.